Hello friends, welcome back to the Java features. In the previous video we have seen how we can print this pattern, and in this video we are going to watch how we can learn to print these types of pattern. So let's go to the code part. So yeah, this code we have written in the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, just go to the previous video and watch that, so you would understand why we have created a lot of code for printing only this pattern. So just go to print this types of pattern. Firstly we would create a class as we have seen in the previous video. So left triangle pattern, okay, this class we have created. So what we would do, if type dot equals left star with a new left triangle pattern, and we haven't implemented the interface which we have created in the previous video. So implement this interface and override the method print. Here we are going to write the logic for this types of pattern, how we can print. So let's understand. Suppose if you have to print only one star, now how would you do? You would do like normal star, it would print one star. Suppose leave this triangle as it is, just go like 1 2 3 star, then 3 star, then 3 star, then 3 star, right? If you have to print like this, then how would you do? Like you can do for the first line like simple 3 star. And how would you do? There are unlimited lines here, so how you would print? So somewhere you have to do looping over this line, so all the lines would be printed. Like if I do this for int I equal to 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, if I do this, then definitely it would print up to 5 lines, it would print star 3 in every line. But here we have did 3 star as hard coded. So if someone says that there can be unlimited line, means that they can give the input size, like they have given the 5, sometimes they can give the 4 in every lines. You have to do in this way. So what would you do? It means they are saying that you have this should also print dynamically, not as we have given here. So how would you do that? You have to do like int j equals to 0, j less than equals to 5, j plus plus, and braces, this is the optional for the single statement. So it would print such types of pattern, but our target is to print the triangle. So firstly we would see how what it would print. So just run this program and keep this triangle as in your mind. Later we would print this one, so just run. sorry for that, we haven't call yet, so we have to uncomment it. It would call this print method. Sorry, I made the mistake. Which one? Like here it is changing the line, so you have to the print method would not change the line, it would print in the same line as I told you, like this one, and it would print in the same line. Now after printing this in the same line, what would you do? You have to change the line. Then SYSO you would do this, it ln it would change the line. So in the next time for I is equals to 1, this would print into the new line, so it would work in this fashion. So we would try to print it. Just go here you can see that if I would comment it, here you can see, here you can increase the size as per as your choice. So it is the dynamic and it is print in the same fashion as I told you by the try and run method. So what we had to print, we had to print such types of pattern like this one, it's 2 star and then 3 star and then 4 star and then 5 star. In this fashion your program should print. So let's say I have to print like 9 lines, and how I would print means that on the first line I need to print only 1 star, on the second line I have to print 2 star, on third line means in every line their star is increasing. So how we can do that? Just remove it, and what we would do, so you have to print the star only one at one line. So how you can do this? Like this one, like leave you have to print only the 1 star, okay, for the first line. Then if you have to print 2 star for the second line, then how would you do? If you have to print 3 star, that should be dynamically. So you have to think somewhere that how it can be printed. You have to find out the symmetricity, like you have studied about the series questions. So you have also applied some types of logic. So 1 and 2 in the next line, 3 in the next line, 4 in the next line. Here in stars is increasing. So we could think like for int j equals to 0, j is less than, means for the one line there should be a 1 star. So we can make like j is less than equals to I and j plus plus. So let's do some dry run. For the j is equals to 0 for for this line, for I equal to 0, sorry, for I equals to 0 for this line, and inside the loop what it would do, for j is equals to 0 and j is less than equals to I values is 0 and j value is 0, it would print a star. And for I is equals to 1, j is equals to 0 and j is less than equals to 1, then it would print a star. and here we don't need to change the line. So what I would do, we have to remove it so it would not change the line. So what it would do, so for j is equals to 1, it would again append the star. So on completion of this, as it is printed, on completion of this we have to change the line, so that while printing these three pattern, line should be changed. So I would have to do this one, like it would change the line and it would not print anything. So we can do in this manner, just do this and we can remove it as well. So you can see now here I can run the program. Here you can see, very beautiful. So in the next video we are going to see some other pattern, like diamond pattern and downwards triangle, downwards left triangle, downwards right triangle, and diamond problem, like printing the diamond as we have printed the star. So see you in the next video. Keep watching and keep sharing. Thanks.